class, we're gonna do a simple drawing, but before we start, I need you to prepare your 6B pencil, 6B, 7B or 8B, and another 2B pencil, if not mechanical pencil, that will help you to draw. So we need to learn simple skills like shading, dark to light tone, and also drawing of the fur, because we're going to draw the parrot today. So you have to make sure how to apply the tones to your strokes. So I'm going to show an example over here for shading. You have to make sure that you apply pressure, make it dark, and it gets lighter and lighter, so you apply lesser pressure. Okay, you can also hold your pencil at the back so that it is easier for you to make it lighter. As for the parrot, there's a lot of feathers, so you have to draw strokes like this, dark to light strokes as well. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do dark strokes, and we're gonna make it lighter, lighter. Okay. You can also layer over. For example, if you think that this part is not dark, you can go on with a second layer so it gets darker. So you will still see the gradient tone for shadings. Okay, next we're gonna move on to the drawing. For the drawing wise, you can choose a pencil that is slightly lighter, maybe a 2B or a 6B pencil. So at the start, we're gonna draw the parrot eyes. Okay. Right somewhere at the center of your paper. Center of the paper. So this is my paper, so somewhere at the center. Maybe you can move towards the center. And next, we're gonna draw a skull. Another circle. So we're gonna apply the shading inside here. You draw two lines. Then we're gonna apply the shading dark to light, dark to light, all the way to the lightest. Okay, next we're gonna sketch out the parrot. Face. The beak. So over here we're gonna make this part longer. Okay, so this part of the beak is gonna be the darkest. So this is where you apply the shadings. So we're gonna make this part dark. Okay, all the way until here. Dark tone to a lighter tone. Like this at this part. So we're gonna make it lighter. You can also use your fingers, smush it a bit. Then this part is gonna be darkest again. So what we do is we darken this area and sharpen the bottom. Create a gradient tone. This part. Same for this. So this is dark, then it gets lighter and lighter. So dark to light, then we blend in. Dark to light. So dark to light. Okay, and also this part. Right. So we still want to make it a bit brown. So that shows the sharpness. We want to see the lines. Okay, next I'm gonna draw this part of the head. So roughly get the shape of the parrot. So the petals are like U shape or V shape. Okay, then over here it's going to show this part is the body. Some parts can be like V shape. And this one is going to show the wings. Okay, we want a lot of details, so we'll see a lot of V. So it gets from the smallest to the biggest. You get bigger, bigger, and bigger. So just continue with your V. So for the feathers, direction for this part will go down. The direction for the feathers will go slightly to the left for the head. So we'll start from the wings. So this will be roughly this size. It gets bigger when it goes down. So this will be tiny ones here. To join the lines together, and it gets longer and longer. Bigger and bigger means longer and longer. When we reach to the end, you just draw lines with them. Okay, then at the side, we're gonna draw petals like this. So piece by piece, we're gonna add more details to the head. So over here, do the same. Draw the shapes like this. Create the shapes first. Just keep moving. So follow this part of the face. Creates BBB. Keep building around here. Then continue second round. Can spike out a bit. So we'll just stack up. It can get bigger and bigger. You have to stack up. There you go. Now once you have the drawing, we're gonna do the shadings. So go back to the mouth area. So this part over here, we want to make it a bit darker. So make it a bit darker, leaving a bit of gap so you can see the line. And this part we're gonna darken it, because usually for parrots, this part is dark. So for shading, you can also layer over. So next, we're gonna darken this part. So you're gonna use a lot of strength. But if you're using a 7B pencil, you do not need to use much strength. It's easy for you to make it dark. Okay, once you have the darkness, we're gonna make it lighter, but this part, this whole part must be dark. So we're gonna put a U, so the corners must be dark. Okay, we're gonna darken it, and we're gonna create the gradient tonal values, make it lighter. but make it dark until here. Blend it in. Make it lighter and lighter. Finish off like this. But this part is the mouth, so we're gonna draw another line and one more line. Then we're gonna color this part black. Okay, this part darken. Now we're gonna move on to the eye area. So over here, I'm going to darken the outlines. Just darken it. Next, we're going to change it to a 2B pencil. It's not your mechanical pencil. Just draw lines that looks like crease. So because there's a lot of wrinkles on the, not wrinkles, a lot of lines on the face of the parrot. But we want it to be as light as possible, so I'm gonna round the strokes around the eyes. Then I'm gonna create a crease. Create a different texture for the parrot. Next, use back your 7B pencil. I'm gonna draw dark dots around it. It's gonna be around the base, a bit like tiger stripes. Create dots and lines like this. Not lines, short bow stroke, I would call this. Okay. Once you're done, now's the tedious part. Every piece of the feathers, you're supposed to do strokes. So strokes like this, keep it inside the shape, make it lighter. So dark to light, so less pressure. Dark to light. So piece by piece, you're gonna finish it off with strokes. So just now at the start, I taught you how to do strokes like this, dark to light. You're gonna apply it onto every piece of the parrot feathers. If not, there's an easier option for you to do. You can use a mechanical pencil. Draw out the lines on each petals. Once you draw out the lines, you can use the 8B to darken only at the ends, so it will still give you the same effects. I have to do this piece by piece. use my mechanical pencil, draw lines piece by piece. Turn your sketchbook upside down. Whichever easier for you. For the bigger piece, you can draw one line inside like this, especially the ones at the bottom. So that it looks more like feathers. Slightly different. The rest just draw lines. So this part will be different. You have to stroke it left, then draw lines on the right. So left and right. So left and right. Draw lines at the center. Left lines, right lines. Left lines. So once you have everything done with your 2B pencil, we're gonna move on to the 7B or 8B pencil, something darker. We're gonna draw out the lines again, darken the ends. So I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna darken it at the ends. So just about 10 lines per petal. So remember to sharpen your pencil. Try to define the shape of the petals piece by piece. So we only draw lines on half of the petals. And this part of the face is supposed to be dark. Try to still get the shape of every petal. So that's the details. This part we have to darken it. Okay, and then we have to darken this. So you can see how well it looks, right? How good it looks. You can also touch up. Okay, this part of the parrot is the darkest, so I need to darken it. Part is the darkest, so we try to darken it a bit more, but we still want to see the gradient, the tonal values, dark to light shadings and strokes. Next, the spots have to show dark colors over here. Continue with your darker lines to give your petals that gradient, tonal value and shadings, but we do it in strokes. Okay, as for the rest, just continue. once you're done, we just want to double check certain points to make it a bit darker. For example, this part will be too big. We want to make this part darker. This part darker, but we still want to blend things in. As well. Smooth out this area, so this part you can darken it as well. Okay, certain areas like this small details, you can do a bit of the strokes. Just sharp ends. This part, sharp ends coming out to make it a little bit fluffier. Certain areas around the eyes, just do more strokes. Now the face, more strokes to darken it. So just now I mentioned we can actually layer, so this is how we do layering. Certain parts is supposed to be darker because it's hiding at the ends, so you can actually make it darker. This whole area should be darker. Okay, and we're done with today's drawing.